Yes. It is a pleasure for me to be here with you today, this morning, this afternoon, this evening. And I bring something new to you, and I want you to learn together. I want you and I to learn together. That's why I'm here, and I'm going to detail everything for you, and hopefully, you're gonna learn something. Today, I am talking, or we are talking about determiners. Determiners are words that make the nouns of reference more specific. Okay, I will repeat that for you again. Determiners, hold on. Determiners are words that make the nouns of reference more specific. What do we mean by that? Okay, we mean, so when we use determiners, it specify the word or the nouns you print to, the noun you refer to. Let's say I'm talking about a cat. I say a cat, that's just a random cat, okay? But if I say the cat, this cat, I'm not talking about just a random cat, but I'm talking about a specific cat. Okay, a specific cat. I'm talking about a specific dog. I say that dog, that dog. That's just a random dog. It could be Mary's dog. It could be John's dog. It could be Sam's dog. But if I'm talking about the dog, I specify. Okay, I specify the dog, and even more if I'm talking about this dog, I specify even more. It is not that dog, it is this dog, that dog, the one who is near me, the one who is by me. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that, and there are so many determiners. There are more than 8 of them. We are going to detail them, and you're going to learn about them. Some of them are definite, indefinite, possessive, demonstrative, and so forth. And we are going to show you how to use them and when to use them and what they mean when you use them. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Like that, you're gonna receive all my videos, and you see all my videos, you're gonna learn from them. We are going to learn together. And if you have any comments, if there's anything you need more explanation about, I'm here. Write it in the comment, and I'm going to address it with you. Okay, stay tuned. All right, as I said, there are a lot of categories. There are 8 categories in the determiners. There are 8 categories, and let's start with these 3 ones, with definite, indefinite, and demonstrative. Okay, definite, it's something that define already. Okay, they say definite, it's define, it's specify. Okay, it's definite. All right, let's look on the board. Definite, as you can see, the cat. Okay, that's definite. All right, definite, the cat. I'm talking about the specific cat, not just a random cat, but the cat. Someone possesses a cat. I said the cat. The river is blue. Okay, I specify the river. It is not just a random river. Okay, when you talk about like definite things like that, you were talking about something that you refer or you mentioned before. Okay, when you use the definite determiners, it is as if, not it is as if, but you were talking about that thing already. That's why you can say the, because I said the because I was talking, I specify what was that thing before, and then that's why I use the. Okay, I don't use a. Let's say the cat. Okay, so I was talking about that cat already. I was talking about the cat already. I was thinking, I see a cat crossing the street. Okay, I see a cat crossing the street. The cat eat. Okay, I see a cat crossing the street. The cat eats a rabbit. Okay, the cat, the one that crosses the street, is eating a rabbit. Okay. The river is blue. When I said the river is blue, I was talking about the river already. It is not the river over there. It's not that river over there, but that river. The river is blue. Not the pond, not the lake, not the ocean, but I'm talking about the river. Okay? That's definite. Indefinite. It's just like a dog. Okay? Indefinite means something that is not defined already. A dog. Just a dog? Whose dog it is? I don't know. A dog. I see a dog on the street. Okay? I found or I find is a dog on the street. A dog just crossed the street. I see a red car. Okay? I don't know. I don't know if it is Martin's. I don't know if it is Sam's. I don't know if it is John's. I do not know if it is Cades. But I just see a red car. It is not defined. That car is not defined yet. It's just a car. Okay? Demonstrative. It's something that you refer to, something that you point at. Okay? Something you refer, or you say that this thing, not that thing. Let's say this house is mine. This house is mine. Not that house, but this house, the one near me, the one I am in is mine, not the one over there. Okay? So I hope you understand that. The definite is something that's clear. I was talking about that thing already. Now I don't use the indefinite to refer to that thing. I just use the definite because it's already, we know what we are talking about. The, okay? The phone. Okay? The phone. The house. Okay, but you said the house. Why you just said the house? I said the house because we were talking about the house already. Okay, we were talking about the house. It is not just like a random house. All right, so we just covered definite, indefinite, and demonstrative, and now we're going to cover possessive, the quantifiers, and the numbers. The possessive is something you have, something you own. Okay, it's yours. You have ownership of it. As you can see on the board, my paints. These are mine. These are mine. They are not yours. Okay, I own this thing. They are my possession. They are mine. They are not yours. Okay, my pens. Your car, your house, their house, her house, her pants, her skirt. Okay, most, few, fewer. So there's a bunch of them. Okay, quantifiers. There's a bunch of them. Some more, fewer, few, a bunch. You know. So, to name a few. Some food. Give me some food. Both girls, okay, both girls are beautiful. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. Both girls are beautiful. And numbers. Numbers, you know what numbers are, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Give me 2 spoons. Give me 2 spoons, okay? Give me 2 spoons. Give me 3 spoons. I give you 2 2 bikes, okay? I give you 2 bikes, okay? Give me 2 or 3 gallons of water. 3 gallons of water, okay? The numbers. So you use them to, okay? That's, I'm talking about the spoon. This is what I said before. I'm talking about the spoon, but I want to specify the number of spoon I want, okay? I want 2, not 3, not 1, not 4, but just 2, okay? And for this one's quantifier, it means like some. I need few, okay? I want few of you to go out. Some of you, I want some of you to go out and check on that car, okay? I want some of you, okay? I don't want no more than 3 people, okay? I want most of you to go out, okay? That's a quantifier. If you want to go that possessive, it's my, okay? Mine, yours, hers, his, ours, yours, and theirs, okay? All right. And finally, we're gonna cover the distributives and exclamative. Distributive and exclamative. All right. Distributive is like it's a each, every. Okay. Each, every, either. Distributive. Each child receives a toy. Every child receives a toy. Okay. Either one of them. Each, every, receive. So, and exclamative is what a leader. Okay, it's what and such. What a leader. Oh, what a leader. He is such a leader. He did a great job. He led the meeting. He did everything. What a leader.